Sahajasti, natural and authentic in me, affirms natural and authentic in you. Seventh chakra is not an independent chakra. It is formed by the combination of six chakras. So it contains the essence of all other chakras. It is also called crown chakra because it is located on the crown of the head and it is related to pineal gland, which is responsible for day and night rhythm, also called circadian rhythm. Sanskrit name for this chakra is Sahasrara, means a chakra with 1,000 petals. Because at this chakra, everything flowers, flourishes. It becomes 1,000-fold. When we come to this chakra, we are healed. Our meditation becomes spontaneous. We are flowing with our spirituality. We become creative. Our life is transformed. We find our destiny and we live with a sense of well-being. Fear, guilt, and suffering, we become free from them. And also, when energy is running all over the body and the mind, because Kundalini is fully awakened, that energizes all other chakras. So we experience a rush of energy most of the time in our body and brain. Our body and brain pulsates, throbs with life. And when that energy fully energizes other chakras, body's wisdom is awakened. We receive emotional intelligence and also we become intellectually creative. So intelligence of the body, emotions, and intellect, they come to their peak. We become a fully functional individual. And past is no more a chain in our life. And also, as we discussed early, chakras are the doors and portals to the universal energy, which is the mother energy, Shakti, the source. Now, because chakras are open, so this individual mind and body is connected with the universal energy. So not only we are a fully functional individual, we also become universal person. We experience higher levels of consciousness. We are liberated, both in our body and in our mind. We find our place in the universe, and the fear of death disappears. That is the crown achievement of Kundalini. Also, we become feminine and masculine inside, because normally either we behave as a man or a woman. But in full Kundalini awakening, we experience both sides of our personality. I would like to show you some pictures to affirm what I said. So, location, as you can see, those purple lotus is blooming, and it is creating an aura of energy around us. That is why we are healed. The mantra of this chakra is Om in the very center, but silent Om. Endocrine gland is pineal gland, which is located here on the upper part of the brain. Affirmation is I flow. There is a sense of flow in the life. Creative energy, creative focus. And also, we develop deep peace and tranquility, mindfulness, which is spontaneous. It happens on its own. Our mind and body are functioning as one unit. And because of that, we experience our soul constantly. We are in a state of joy. We are healed. And also we find our destiny, what I'm supposed to do in this lifetime. So meaning and purpose of life is achieved. So this is the grand view of this chakra. So we started our life with the egg, just like in butterfly's life cycle. And finally, at seventh chakra, we become like an adult butterfly and released with freedom. And as I mentioned, we have both masculine and feminine aspect because both sides of the brain are deeply connected now. And now full energy flow is there, and body throbs with life. The whole body is experiencing this energy. And we are no more crowd, although we are connected, but we are fully individualized. And center of our life is inside us. So we are connecting to everybody from our heart and soul. And also our self-esteem comes from inside, because our ego is dissolved, although it comes back, but it becomes the instrument of higher consciousness. Our meditation becomes natural, and we are always flowing with the rhythms of our body and mind. And also, finally, the outer nature connects to inner nature. So inner and outer nature, they both meet at seventh chakra. Pleasure centers in our brain are opened, so we live moment to moment with joy, with delight. But that doesn't mean we won't experience pain or sorrow, but it will come, it will go. It won't accumulate, it won't stay with us. And we accept our mortality, and also we find our place in the universe and our destiny. And these are the practices for the seventh chakra, the breathing, the meditation, the mantras, and affirmation. So basically, with the opening of the seventh chakra, which is the combination of six, all the potential which we have, potential of the body, potential of the emotion, potential of the intellect, and spiritual potential now expresses itself. We will become fully functional individual, living in joy, delight, creativity, free from suffering, fear, and guilt. And also, we are connected with the whole universe, and that is a state of liberation. Sahajasti.